Welcome back, guys. I have a good news for you, and please, you need to make sure you stick with this very important information. If you are a kind of person that usually is to give unrecognized applications permission to read anything on your phone anyhow, please, you have to be very careful. Be mindful of the kind of permission you allow a particular app to have access to. Let's say, for instance, I downloaded a game. The game is now asking me that he want to have access to my contacts. Please, how does that make sense? So you need to also consider the application you'll be given permission for some things on your phone. Because honestly, I must disclose to you, once you give them the permission to have access to a particular option in your mobile phone, then honestly they can see everything in that option. If it's your contact, they can have access to all the contacts you're having. If it's your gallery or your file manager, they can have access to all the videos in your phone, all the photos, all the music, and so on. So please be very careful with what you disclose with them. So what I want to show you, the purpose of this video is to show you how to allow an application to have access to a certain option, and how to also deny an application from having access to a particular option. Now, another thing you can do is that if an application requires you, which make it mandatory for you to give access to a particular option. Now, if once you want to use the app for is very important, you can always give the app the permission. So after you are through with what you want to use the application for, you can just go back and deny the app from using that option. I think that's the best solution for such. Okay, now to do that, the first thing you want to do is just to head right on to the setting. Okay, let me pass this way. By the way, this works for all phones, so just scroll down this way and click on this option right here, that's setting. Okay, so you'll be directed to the setting homepage. I haven't done that, just click on apps and notifications. Click on apps and notifications. Okay, then you want to click on app info. So on my phone I have 115 apps being installed, so you click on app info. I haven't done that. The application that says you have to let it have access to a particular option, then locate the application. If you have a lot of app on your phone, you can just click on the search button and search for the application. Okay, by the way, the search button is not here. I think the feature is not allowed on this my phone, but if you are using Samsung or iPhones, the options will be there. Now let me look for the app. Let's say for instance my calculator. Okay, let me see. Once you click on that, now you now go for permission. You click on permission. Okay, it need no any permission. Let me select calendar. Yes, calendar will need some permission. So I haven't done that. You can see you will now click on permission. That's the next thing you want to click on. Click on permission. Now you now click on the option that the application said you have to allow it to have access to. Assuming I want my calendar to have access to my phone, I'll just click on my phone and I'm going to allow. Once I click on allow, my calendar, my Google Calendar can read all the contacts I have on my list. You understand? And if I want to deny it, I'm still going to do the same process, but instead of selecting allow, I'm just going to select deny. And that's the quick and easiest way to deal with problem like this. So please be mindful of what I told you in the beginning of this video. So that is it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, it's a way to subscribe to my channel. Okay, see you guys in the next video.